Hi everyone, in this video we start the endoscopy from the mouth, pass through the esophagus, then enter the stomach after crossing the cardiac sphincter. After entering the stomach, we can clearly observe its three main parts, the fundus, body and antrum. We continue through the pylorus into the duodenum, the beginning of the small intestine. If needed, biopsy samples can be taken from each section for further evaluation. The findings are normal with no acute pathology. In future videos, we'll show different endoscopic findings and explain their diagnosis and treatment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me.